Hi, this is T. Bhargav, studying mechanical engineering in SRIT College, second year BTech, first semester 2024 to 2025. Today I was discussing topic called Principle of Entropy Increase in the subject of thermodynamics. The principle of entropy increase is a very important topic in our daily life, and we have to study some importance of entropy. Let us analyze the entropy. Principle of entropy increase. We have seen that definition: the degree of disorder in a system is called entropy. Introduction to entropy. Entropy is a measure of disorder or randomness in a system. It is a fundamental concept in thermodynamics and statistical mechanics. Understanding entropy helps explain the direction of spontaneous process. The second law of thermodynamics. The second law of thermodynamics, the totally entropy of an isolated system can never disorder. This law implies the energy conservations are never 100% efficient. As a result, system evolve towards a state of maximum entropy. Entropy in everyday life. Everyday processes demonstrate the principle of entropy increases, such as melting ice. When ice transitions from structured solid to disordered liquid, this transition illustrates an increase in entropy as the system becomes more disordered. Entropy and energy transfer. Energy transfer in system often leads to an increase in entropy. For example, when heat flows from hot body to cold body, one disorder increases. This is become the energy becomes more spread out among the particles in the cold object. Statistical mechanics and entropy. Entropy can understand statistically related to number of microstates. The microstate is a specific arrangement of particles in a system. Higher entropy corresponds to a greater number of possible arrangements. Reversible versus irreversible process. Entropy is studied statically. Energy transfer, everyday life. Second law of thermodynamics, introduction. Now we can see that reversible versus irreversible process in entropy. Reversible process maintain constant entropy and can be undone without changes in the system. Irreversible process result in an increase in entropy and cannot be reversed without external work. Everyday examples of irreversible process include mixing two liquids or burning fuel. Entropy in universe. The universe is a closed system and it is entropy continually increases. This concept aligns with the idea of the heat death of the universe, where everything reaches maximum entropy. As entropy increases, usable energy becomes less available for work. Entropy and life. Biological systems appear to decrease entropy locally while increasing it globally. Organisms maintain low entropy through metabolic processes that consume energy. However, these processes contribute to a net increase in the universe entropy. Measuring entropy. Now we can understanding how to measure entropy. Entropy is measured using the Boltzmann constant statistical mechanics. The formula S is equals to K. In defense, entropy is in turn the number of microstates. Entropy changes in chemical reactions. Chemical reactions often involve changes in entropy as reactants transform into products. In an increase in the number of gaseous molecules typically results in greater entropy. It decrypts free energy equations, incorporates entropy to predict reaction spontaneity. Practical applications of entropy. Now we can see that practically of entropy. Practical applications of entropy. Entropy of a gas. Understanding entropy is a crucial in the design of engine and refrigerator. We can know the entropy is a property where it is used in engines and refrigerators. Engineers must consider entropy changes to minimize efficiency and minimize waste. This knowledge also applies to information theory and data compression. Entropy in information theory. In information theory, entropy equatifies uncertainty or information concept. Higher entropy implies more unpredictability in data sequences. The concept is analogous to thermodynamics entropy in terms of disorder. Entropy and the arrow of time. The increase of entropy provides a directionality to time known as the arrow of time. This principle explains why processes occur in a specific temporal order. Events move from ordered states to disordered states, reinforcing the perception of time's flow. Entropy in black holes. Black holes represent extreme causes of entropy due to their immense gravitational pull. The entropy of black hole is proportional to its surface area as stated by the Weierstrass-Hawking formula. This reveals intriguing connections between thermodynamics, gravity, and quantum mechanics. Entropy and climate change. Climate change is influenced by entropy through energy distribution in Earth systems. Increasing greenhouse gas concentrations disrupt natural entropy balances, leading to global warming. Understanding these processes is key to developing effective climate mitigation strategies. Entropy and evolution. Entropy plays a role in evolutionary process by influencing genetic diversity. The introduction to mutations increases the randomness with populations. This randomness is essentially for natural selection and adaptation over generations. Entropy is a common misconnection. Entropy in cosmology. Cosmological models consider entropy in the evolution of the universe. The Big Bang represents a state of low entropy evolving to higher entropy configurations. The evolution informs theories about the ultimate fate to the universe. Misconceptions about entropy. A common misconception is that entropy always leads to chaos. It is can also result in complex structures. For instance, while entropy increases in the universe, localized order can emerge. Understanding this direction is crucial in fields like biology and ecology. Future research directions. Ongoing research explores entropy in quantum systems and information processing. Advances in nanotechnology and materials science also focus on managing entropy. These studies, these studies aim to harness, harness entropy principles for innovative applications. Conclusion. The principle of entropy increase a cornerstone of thermodynamics and natural sciences. Its implications resonate across multiple disciplines from physics to biology. A deeper understanding of entropy is essential for addressing current global challenges. Feel free to modify any of slides or content as needed. Thank you for watching my video.